Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. So my PlayStation's internet won't connect, and I was referred by another store. They were doing a diagnosis on it, but they said there's something wrong with the board.
With the board?
yeah.
All right, here. Yeah, we definitely do micro soldering, and we do a bunch of PS5 repairs here.
Perfect.
So we can definitely help you out there.
Cell phone club Wi-Fi. Be connected. Check. Still nothing there. Go setting. We're gonna open it right now. Perfect, done and ready to go. Easy 250.